Okay guys, so a very successful day downtown Indianapolis, taking some photographs. Hopefully you'll like these. I was way out of practice. This is the first time I've been down since early March, when I came down with my, at that time, the Canon T3i. This time, however, I used the Ricoh GR III. I bought this Ricoh GR III in order to go downtown Indianapolis and take photos, but with the COVID situation, the protest, that's been a little difficult to do. So it's a Friday afternoon, it's Juneteenth actually. Wore out, it's a hot day. It was nice to get out and walk around, take some photos. So let's check them out. I do have some video on here without photos. My battery died in the Ricoh GR III. You always need that second battery. I've got 3 of them, but I only had one with me. I didn't put the other one in my pocket. So, and then the last couple things I came upon were things I would have wanted to take shots of. The kids on their bikes that were asking about it. And then the rapper guy, I see him every time I come downtown. Great guy. So at any rate, glad to be back at it. Please hit the like, hit the subscribe. That's what I've got for this one. So sit back, enjoy, and look for some more coming out here soon. Take care, guys. And my settings right now are 200th of a second, 5.6. I've got it on ISO auto. So today's video is just going to be asking people to take their picture. It's the hardest thing there is to do. How you doing, man? Right on. Let me get a shot here. If you want to stand back up here, man, I'll get a couple of good portraits of you here, man. Maybe some you can use for your, you know. Yeah, I want to kind of do one from the side here. Give me a look. Right on. Okay, dude, send me that email. I'll send these to you. Hopefully it'll help. Good luck, buddy. You guys mind if I get a picture?
Sure.
Y'all kind of look cool like that. Excellent. Here, let's do one. Actually, okay, no, that's cool. Yeah, just like that. We'll get you 2 there. Cool. Go ahead and hop in there, man. All right, kind of. Whoops. All right. Cool. Excellent. Thanks, guys. Hey, you mind if I get a quick shot of you? Kind of got a cool look going there. Get up there. Got this new camera I'm trying out, so. Excellent. Thanks, man. Hey, man, mind if I get your picture?
What's that?
Mind if I get your picture?
Yeah, I don't mind. That's
Right on. Just strange times with the mask and whatnot. Right. Cool. Thanks, man. Can I take your picture?
Sure.
Just kind of unusual with the masks and whatnot. Awesome. Thank you so much. How you doing, guys? Get a photo?
For what?
It's just for street photography. I just walk around, take pictures. Finally felt like it was kind of maybe safe enough to get out, so. Hey man, can I get your picture? Can I get your picture? That just looks cool with you smoking and everything. Can I get your photo? That cool? Right on, thanks, man. How you doing, buddy? How you doing, man?
Good, how you doing?
All right. I feel for you guys.
Thank you.
All right, buddy. Can I get a photo of you guys? That'd be cool. No? I was like, you can send me an email. I'll send you a copy of it.
That's good.
All right, that's cool, man. How you doing, man? Can I get a shot of you?
Sure.
Cool. Man, I always wished I had that art or that ability.
No.
So I take pictures because I have no artistic abilities.
Well, that's a part of art.
Oh yeah, that's the way I look at it, man. Everybody's got their role, you know. Right on. Awesome. Thanks, buddy. Good luck. Thanks, guys. Get out here and get a shot right there. Boom. Excellent. Here you go. Cheese. Right on. Your turn. There we go. Thanks, hon. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Can I take your picture?
Take my picture?
Yeah, with that, just with the mask on, it kind of looks cool, you know. Awesome. Here, let me make sure I have that morning flow. There we go. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
That's like $9. That was $5. I can pay for it.
Okay, so I'm gonna make my way back to the circle and then back around. I don't know if we really have much from today, but it's nice to be able to get back downtown Indianapolis. And I can tell you, when there's not a bunch of people or it's not a very dense city, then it does make it a lot more difficult to use the Ricoh GR III because it is such a wide angle, 28. You pretty much got to be right on top of people to take their pictures, so you pretty much do have to ask. You're trying to get a shot. Let me get this guy here. Hey man, can I get your picture real quick with that mask?
Yeah.
Awesome, thanks dude. There are no people. That makes for a very, very, very boring shot. Same thing here. Beautiful city. Hey guys, can I get some photos of you doing that? Can I get some photos of you guys doing those hops and stuff? The best thing would be if I'm facing this way and then I get shadows and stuff, I'll give you my email address. You send me an email, I'll send you some of them.
You want me to go this way?
Just, yeah, kind of like this is my site right here. So like anywhere you could do a flip, or not a flip, but yeah, just kind of anywhere in there. It doesn't have to be anything spectacular.
Down there to get some speed.
All right, right on. Right on, right on. Okay, let's do it one more time just to make sure I got them. These ought to turn out really cool.
Have fun.
Right on. Awesome. I'll just send them all to him. I'll send the email to him and that way you guys have it. Right on, guys. I appreciate it, man. Have a good day. Looking good.
Nice.
Let's get an update shot.
All right.
Yeah, you're quick, man. There we go. Right on. Right on. Thank you, sir.
Sure.
I appreciate good art.
Nice.
Ladies, can I take your picture back here, like right here in that light right there? And just you guys just look good. Cool. Yeah, oh yeah, absolutely. Like, see this light right here? I'm gonna get you like right here, but walking this way. Yeah, so go ahead and back up another 5 or 6 feet and then start walking toward me. Okay, that's good. Now just walk normally, yeah. There we go, excellent. Just colorful. Thank you very much. How you doing, man? Can I take your picture? Oh, so here we get a close-up one here. Man, hard at work.
Yeah.
Right on. Can I take a picture of the horse?
Yeah.
Aladdin? Hey, Aladdin. How you doing, buddy? It's kind of photo shy there. That's all right. A lot of people are here. Let me back up. Don't want to spook you, hon. There we go. All right. Thank you, sir. Take a picture, man. Dude, hard at work. Whoops, what the hell happened?
Prepare for greatness, my friend. Right here, you get the taste of summertime.
Hey, man, you have a safe night.
Take a picture?
I did. You have a safe night, but
You too, brother.
right on. My battery ran out of my GoPro, or my Ricoh. Dang it.
That's a GoPro? You recording everything?
Yes, I am. Say hey.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, what's up, YouTube?
There we go. We'll go ahead and
Shout out NRA.Pablo on Instagram. What is it? I'll follow
it's you got something to write it down with, or you guys will be
my
on
phone
there.
dead.
You're gonna be on there now.
I got you. I got it.
Feel like I'm flashing you.
What is it?
Okay, it's Dozier, and that's with a D, D-O-Z-I-E-R, graphic, G-R-A-P-H-I-C, and that's the YouTube channel.
Oh, that's it? That's it?
And then doziergraphic.com will get you my website.
Oh,
But Dozier Graphic
It's right
should get you to the.
I subscribe.
I do street photography, walk around, take pictures of people being
When you
people.
uploading that?
I subscribe to.
This will probably, thanks, man. Give me a couple days. What's today? Friday? Probably like Sunday night, Monday, something like that. But then if you want to, well, I mean, I guess my damn battery's dead, so now I can't take more pictures. But you guys will be on the video. I'll make sure you get on the video. Right on, guys. Have a good time. Be safe tonight.
Shout out those.
Hey, rapper man, how you doing?
Doing all right. Well, you want to hear some bars?
Battery's dead, but you go ahead. I'm videoed up.
All right, check it. I'll be rapping, I make it happen. These other rappers is a fraction, like a subtraction. I'm more like an addition. I'm on a money-making mission. Rappers need to listen and pay attention. Rap lessons in session, but these rappers is in detention. And did I mention my flow's on a different dimension, beyond their comprehension? Yo, I'm on the next level, like I'm hanging from a suspension.
Right on, brother. Right on, man. And of course, my battery's dead because I want to get some more photos, but I got like $3.
you.
$2, $3.
Appreciate that.
I brought it for you, man. I figured I'd see you out here. It has been crazy times, man.
All right, man.
You be safe out here, brother. I'll see you.